Hello, first graders. Today would have been our Nature Center field trip day. I'm so sad that we can't go on the field trip, but Mrs. Pauly put together a video to help you learn about living and non-living things and things you might have seen at the Nature Center while on the field trip. I hope you enjoy it, and maybe today you can go out in nature and take a hike with your family. I'm going to talk to you today about living things and non-living things. Living things move, grow, need food, need water, and need air. Some examples of living things that you can find in nature are fish, butterflies, flowers, turtles, or trees. And non-living things do not move, do not grow, do not need food, do not need water, do not need air. And some examples of non-living things in nature are a park bench, clouds, sun, and rocks. An idea for a scavenger hunt is that I'm showing you is you don't have to use the thing on the video. You can just use your own paper and write the ideas, and then you can go outside and take a walk or a hike, and you can find some of the things on it. And even if you don't find all the things, it's just fun to do something extra on your hike. So I see the sun is out, so I could cross off sunshine. Ooh, I see some flowers right here, so I could cross off flowers. I see some sprouts on this tree, so I could cross off sprouts. Or blossoms. That kind of has blossoms on the tree also. I'm not finding a puddle or bug or a nest, but that's just a fun little scavenger hunt you can do. Another idea for a nature hike is you can do our nature walk, things you see, smell, feel, and hear in nature. So as I'm walking, I can hear birds. You can draw a bird. I'm feeling the wind. So wind is kind of hard to draw because you can't really see it, but you can do kind of like some clouds with some swishes to kind of show the wind moving. I probably could get down and smell these purple flowers. So I'm going to draw some purple flowers. And I see this awesome apple tree that's already got buds on the tree. So I'm going to draw the apple tree. So that's just another idea you can do on a nature walk. Another thing you can do on a nature hike is take a color hunt. This one's kind of fun, but you do need to have your colors with you. And if it's a super windy day, it's not going to work out. But what I did is I just wrote all the colors out, and then you can go take a walk and you can try to find things of all these colors out in nature. Now, if you can't find every color, that's okay too, but it'd be fun to just see how many colors can you find out in nature.